You know, for ordinary people, a budding new romance is a time for heart-fluttering excitement. But when one of the lovebirds is the world's most famous golfer and repentant philanderer, hearts are skipping a beat for a different reason. For Tiger Woods and his new main squeeze, Olympic skier Lindsey Vonn, there is an avalanche of scrutiny. ABC's Neil Karlinski goes inside the all-star hookup that's got everyone talking.
A picture may be worth 1,000 words, but these perfectly staged shots of Tiger Woods and Lindsey Vonn are apparently worthy of 1,000 judgments. A tiger never changes his stripes. Are you nuts? And how long till he cheats on you were two in a long list of gems left on Vonn's Facebook page. The pictures, posed like a happy family holiday card complete with clearly visible sponsor logos, were strategically and simultaneously unleashed on the two sports stars' Facebook pages. Vonn added this note: "I guess it wasn't a well-kept secret, but yes, I am dating Tiger Woods. Our relationship evolved from a friendship into something more over these past few months, and it has made me very happy." Of course, this isn't just the story of two divorced sports superstars hooking up. This is the story of a beautiful 28-year-old ski champion getting together with a man branded as a champion philanderer.
I am deeply sorry for my irresponsible and selfish behavior I engaged in.
Woods didn't just cheat on his wife, he became the poster boy for celebrity cheating and even went into sex rehab.
Just when you thought Lohan had a lock on the title of Lindsey with the worst judgment, along comes Lindsey Vonn.
The tabloids had been chasing the relationship rumors for months, photographing the two together and noting that Woods reportedly sent his private jet to bring Vonn home after her season-ending spill at this race in Austria. When it comes to the sport of judging famous relationships from afar, Liger, Tyvon, or whatever they're now called, have left plenty to analyze, according to relationship expert Dr. Wendy Walsh.
This could be a budding love romance, and they're trying to stem the wave of publicity and try to control whatever they can to try to create some privacy. And they deserve to do that. On the other hand, it does seem so contrived, and we do feel like we're being manipulated.
The experts say from Anthony Weiner's so-called Weinergate to Elliot Spitzer's high-priced prostitutes, fame and power seem to always offer a chance at redemption.
Some people want Tiger to make this grand comeback, especially men who see him as this fallen hero who suddenly turned into the good guy and got his game back on top.
Coming out, as it were, on Facebook, the experts say, is all about trying to manage two very high-profile and profitable images.
I think it was something they did to get ahead of the stories, to define the relationship in their own terms. They release these obviously posed pictures, and then they say, please respect our privacy. It's almost become a joke.
Depending on how you look at it, the question going forward is either, can this relationship work, or will it help the branding of two larger-than-life images that could grow even bigger as a couple? I'm Neil Karlinski for Nightline in Seattle.